You have your emergency contacts and blood type accessible in your phone, snow chains in the car, and an earthquake kit in the basement. You remember to change your smoke alarm batteries every 6 months and show up for every family gathering, PTA meeting, or homeowners discussion, and always have thought-provoking questions to ask. If that sounds like you, and you need a massage for the tension you're storing in your back, you're probably an Enneagram 6, the Skeptic, defined by your desire for safety, which you seek through questioning, worrying, planning, and belonging. Hi everyone, I'm Samantha Mackay, lead trainer at Truity, and if you've been wondering if you, your partner, or a colleague is an Enneagram 6, you're in the right place. Learning your type can unlock a lifetime of personal growth, and today we'll start with the core elements of the Enneagram 6. Sixes earn the nickname the Skeptic with their tendency to view the outside world as a threat, which leads them to constantly ask questions and approach the unknown warily. Hence, the comfort of people and groups that they can trust is crucial. Sixes embody the Boy Scout motto, be prepared. Famous sixes include Kristen Stewart, Jennifer Aniston, and Mindy Kaling. On their path to personal growth, sixes, like each of the types, have a unique set of signposts along the way. As they move towards wholeness, they move away from doubt and fear and toward trust and the courage to act. Sixes are propelled by an underlying emotional theme of fear. They defend themselves against this by trying to prepare for every worst-case scenario. And to cope with an unpredictable world, they build up support networks, disaster plans, and savings accounts. Yet the tension of sixes is while they want security, they also don't want to feel controlled. Yet despite how much they plan, the whispering late-night voice inside a six's head says, "You'll never be truly safe." Sixes can share qualities with adjacent types or wings, the 5 and the 7. Sixes leaning into their 5 wings may be more introverted and independent, whereas accessing the 7 wing can make them more outgoing. And you can learn more about the nuances of wings in our full Enneagram report. Each Enneagram type also has unique stages of development and corresponding healthy and unhealthy behaviors. Healthy sixes are the ultimate teammates and protectors who will work overtime and bravely defend loved ones. Healthy sixes are confident in their decisions, whose preparation and foresight benefit those around them. Sixes in stress fixate on perceived dangers, degenerating into paranoid, ulcer-ridden worrywarts who see an accident around every corner and an ulterior motive in every friendship. For each of the types, growth means more acceptance and awareness of our unique type, which brings greater peace and a greater ability to act intentionally rather than unconsciously. Growth for sixes means believing in your own agency in life rather than seeing life as something that happens to you. Growth can also mean choosing to build trust and think positively rather than approaching others with suspicion. Since sixes spend a lot of time analyzing and worrying, relaxation practices like yoga, meditation, or dancing are key. So that's the Enneagram 6 in a nutshell. Take our free test at truity.com/Enneagram and upgrade to a full personalized report with in-depth insights into your type's behaviors and motivations at work, in relationships, and more.